A mega war of words has erupted between the Congress and the BJP, centered around Rahul Gandhi's constant criticism of Modi government benefiting a few industrialists. Addressing a rally in Telangana, Prime Minister Modi slammed Rahul, asking why has he stopped talking about Ambani and Adani all of a sudden in his poll season. Now, the Prime Minister hinted that the Congress received funding from both the industrialists before going on to question if a secret deal has been struck between them. Prime Minister's inference received a strong comeback from Rahul's sister, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. The Congress General Secretary questioned the Prime Minister as to why did he wave off 16 lakh crore rupees for his industrialist friends.
जब से उनका राफेल वाला मामला ग्राउंडेड हो गया, तब से उन्होंने एक नई माला जपना शुरू किया। 5 साल से एक ही माला जपते थे। 5 उद्योगपति, 5 उद्योगपति, 5 उद्योगपति। फिर धीरे धीरे कहने लगे अंबानी अडानी, अंबानी अडानी, अंबानी अडानी। लेकिन जब से चुनाव घोषित हुआ है, इन्होंने अंबानी अडानी को गाली देना बंद कर दिया। जरा ये शाहजादे घोषित करें कि इस चुनाव में ये अंबानी अडानी से कितना माल उठाया है, काले धन के कितने बोरे भर करके रुपये मारे हैं, क्या टेम्पो भर करके नोटे कांग्रेस के लिए पहुंची है, क्या सौदा हुआ है। आपने रातों रात अंबानी अडानी इनको गाली देना बंद कर दिया।
आज ये कह रहे हैं, भाषण में इन्होंने आज कहा है कि राहुल जी अडानी अंबानी का नाम नहीं ले रहे हैं। अरे वाह, रोज तो लेते हैं, रोज हम इनकी सच्चाई आपके सामने इनका खुलासा करते हैं। रोज हम आपको कहते हैं कि बड़े खरबपतियों की इनके साथ गांठ है। सारे कर्ज इन्होंने इनके माफ किए 16 लाख करोड़ रुपए। यहाँ उत्तर प्रदेश में जहाँ इनकी सरकार है, केंद्र में भी और प्रदेश में भी, यहाँ के किसान 1 लाख रुपए के लिए आत्महत्या कर रहे हैं। उनके लिए एक कर्ज माफ नहीं हुआ, 1 रुपए का। इसका जवाब दें मोदी जी।
My colleague Isha joins us on the broadcast to get us more details on this. Isha, once again, Ambani and Adani part of the political speeches this election season. But what's different this time is that it's not Congress's speeches where they're featuring, it's the Prime Minister's speech where they're featuring. Help us understand the context of what the Prime Minister said and also the response by the Congress.
Right, yes. So, Ashish, as the elections are currently underway, the Prime Minister has launched scathing attacks on the Congress, and this is the fresh form of attack that has come up. The Prime Minister is stating that Mr. Rahul Gandhi has stopped taking the name of the industrialists Adani and Ambani, and now the Congress has hit back at it. Supriya Srinath, another senior Congress leader, has hit back at it, stating that this is the Prime Minister's fear, that is why he's speaking about it. And it is Rahul Gandhi who forced the Prime Minister to reveal corruption and to not be corrupt. In fact, the Congress is also now stating that the Prime Minister is that desperate that he has to name his own friends in order to win an election. And this is showing his desperation for the fact that he will not be winning this particular Lok Sabha election that he is fighting. So the Congress stating that this is a very desperate attempt from the Prime Minister's side, but the Prime Minister is stating that Rahul Gandhi has stopped taking these names considered, and he's also stated that what if there is a deal, what if there is black money that Rahul Gandhi has indeed taken from these industrialists. But again, this is a back and forth. A lot of people may say this is pure conjecture, but truly a back and forth taking place between the BJP and the Congress has also come back at the BJP, all guns blazing. Back